Hey guys, Jimmy here with FD Equipment Sales. Today I'm on site with a beast Morbark 1300B track tub grinder. Unit's equipped with a Cat C27, just over 10,000 hours, pushing 1,050 horsepower. Unit's equipped with a 13-foot tub and 31 by 64 inch hammer mill. Bluetooth remote controls. This thing's a beast. Listed on our website for $449,985 at fdequipmentsales.com. Call us directly at 250-619-8777 and don't miss any of our new listings. Hit that like and subscribe button.